Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to take up the F4 Phantom 2 in the
motor on. Be careful.
With the 6S version. Wind is directly across the runway, so it doesn't really matter which way I take off. All right. Back up a little bit.
Cruise mode.
All right. Use all the runway I can get.
Starting the fun over.
All right. Make sure our camera's set right. All right. Remember, you don't get slow in the turns with this plane because it is a flying brick after all. And keep up your speed. Land with just like you would a Viper, just a slight bit of nose flare, but keep her level till right before touchdown. All right. Here we go.
The gear is up.
Wow, it went up a lot quicker than I thought it would. Yeah, I do not need the 8S version. The 6S version gets around this field plenty fast.
3 minutes.
Plenty fast. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. That is one beautiful plane right there.
Retracts deployed.
All right.
Landing flaps. Braking.
All right. Kept her on a runway.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, we'll use takeoff flaps this time.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps are up. The gear is up.
Beautiful plane.
Retracts deployed. One minute.
All right. My gear is down.
Take landing flaps.
Oh yeah, I like that landing flap mix. I'll share it when we're done.
Seconds. Braking. Cruise mode.
All right. Good thing we got reverse thrust.
20 seconds.
All right. We'll get her back to the bench. We'll get you a battery report.
Brake cruise mode. Flaps are up.
All right. We'll pause right there, take her back to the bench, and get you a battery report. All right, we're back. We flew for 14 seconds shy of a
Starting the fun over.
3 minute and 40 second timer, so basically 3.5 minutes basically. The rates that I just flew in are 100% throws over 30% expo. And my final on my landing flap mix that I hit landing flaps and she was just locked in beautiful. For landing flaps is a negative 100%, okay, and that's the stock down, and then a negative 15% up elevator. That because this plane will start really pitching down on you if you have no mix. Now I was going to do a flight mode, but since the manual automatically recommends a preset amount, I decided just to go with that and then adjust from there. And that way I can relay to you, because on a flight mode I can't tell you what my settings were. I mean, I can show you what the monitor ended up being, but that might be different with yours. And so I decided just to stay with a mix on this one. And like I say, landing was a negative 100%. That's the factory settings for down elevator, for landing flaps. I mean for down flaps and for landing flaps, with a negative 15% up elevator, because like I say, the plane will dive on you if you don't have an elevator mix in there. This plane definitely needs it. Now, as you can see, I brought her in hot. The good thing I've got, because this plane here, you do not get slow in it. You fly this plane, you keep her going. Okay, you do. You got to keep it going. And don't get slow in the turns, because she'll drop like a brick. Now, you're going to want to put your 5,000, 6,000, 800,000, whatever your battery is, right up where it rubs up against that battery or the canopy right there, and that'll give you perfect CG. I ran a 6,000 RC Hackers in there just now. Okay, let me get you a battery port. Unplug that beautiful KM model afterburner. All right, where's all battery checkers? On the back of my transmitter, or it was just a second ago. What'd I do? Oh, there it is. And battery's hot. 30% left though, 30%. So honestly, a good 3.5 minutes on a 6,000, maybe a 3 minutes and 15 seconds on a 5,000. And that, folks, is the 90mm Phantom 2 6S version in the camo. Great flying plane. Just remember, you keep up your speed, don't get slow, and you gotta land a little bit hot, so plan accordingly. All right, y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. God is good, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then F4 Phantoms. Bye-bye.